Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this short video I'll show you guys how you can change the default search engine on your Google Chrome browser. In this case, let's say that is duckduckgo and I want to change, let's say, to Google engine or whatever you like. This is the most updated method how you can do with this updated version of Google Chrome. Let's start right away. Once you have opened your Google Chrome browser, you just have to click over these three dots here at the corner, and then from these options here, you just have to click over settings, and then right away from these options that you'll see on the left, you just click over search engine, and then you'll see here the possibility to change the search engine for your Google Chrome. We click over change and then it will show the most available or the most used search engines on the market. In this case, I'm just gonna swipe and select Google as the search engine in my case. And once I have selected the search engine that I want, I just click over set as default. And then normally by just clicking on the new tab, you'll see that the search engine have changed on my browser. That's all that I wanted to share with you guys today. That's all that you have to do in order to change the search engine of your Google Chrome browser. Thanks a lot for watching and wish to you all the best. Thank you.